Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to the fourth video in my English language series. In this video, you're going to learn to write the second 13 of the 26 letters of the English alphabet in capitals. Capital letters are the big letters that begin sentences. They are also used in other situations, as we will see later. For now, just practice what you've done in the previous videos. So practice saying your alphabet and practice writing the alphabet. That is all you have to do for now. Let's go to the desk.
N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Well done! Now you can say all 26 letters of the English alphabet and you can write them. That's a very good start. Well done! In the next video, we are going to learn to write the small letters of the English alphabet. When you have finished that, you will be able to write English correctly. In the meantime, keep practicing as you have been. Keep up the good work, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye for now.